Hey guys, what is going on? And here we are, it's finally here, the box break. So just before we begin, I want to lay down a couple of rules. So obviously, you know, those of you that have entered, you all pick numbers. The pack that corresponds to that number, so say someone's picked 1 and 3, pack number 1 and pack number 3 will be that person's pack. Whatever's inside belongs to them. I just want to add that if you guys want to claim what's yours, you need to contact me after you've watched this video, and then that way we can get all the stuff to you. If you don't contact me, then I can't send anything to you, and it shows that you have no interest in whatever comes out of the box break. So anyway, without further ado, let's just jump straight in. Let's start the box break. Okay, so how this is going to work is using a Darkness Ablaze booster box, right? 36 packs. So when I open a pack and it belongs to you, so for example, like I said before, 1 and 3 someone's claimed. So when I've opened pack 1 and pack 3, what I'll do is I'll put the rares into one of these sleeves, one of these golden sleeves, the special Zamazenta sleeve. And if it's a V or above, I'll also put it into a hard sleeve. And then afterwards, I'll allow you guys to contact me, give me your information so I can send it off to you, and I'll put it in an envelope with, protection on it, bubble wrap, whatever, and I'll send it off to you as soon as possible. So, let's get straight into this bad boy. Okay. This is weird. Just knocked the camera big time. I need to stop doing that. So as always, we're going to mix them up. I don't know how. So I have a feeling that someone's going to get a Charizard. It's going to be my first ever pull of a Charizard. So what I'll do is I'll take one from this pile and then one from this pile, and we'll do it like that. Okay. So pack 1 is my good friend Edward. So good luck. You're gonna need it, especially with me. Get rid of that. I didn't mean to show that. 3, 4. Okay, Ed, your first card is a Lightning Energy, Gothorita, Fletchinder, Harding Energy, Skarmory, Starly, Torchic, Marini, Clink, Reverse Hollow Vanillux, and your rare is a Serena. Okay. Not the perfect start, but they're yours, and then this pack is mine because no one claimed pack 2, so pack 2 belongs to yours truly. Again, there's probably not going to be anything good. That was a green code. Why are the codes that way around? So, Darkness Energy, Hiding Energy, Fletchinder, Pokemon Breeders Nurturing, Snubble, Bounsweet, Nickit, Larvitar, Galarian Darumaka, Reverse Hollow Wigglytuff, and a Diggersby. Okay, put mine over there. Okay, Edward, you picked pack 3 as well. So these are your 2 packs for the box break. Let's hope you get something good in this second pack, and I think you are going to, because I may have just seen full art Silver Border, I'm not sure, but we will see. Starting off with the Fire Energy, Solrock, Powerful Energy, Carnivine, Torchic, Galarian Mr. Mime, Fletchling, Electrike, Pansage, Pokemon, I might have just seen this, I don't know, Pokemon Breeders Nurturing, and you have a full art Pokemon Breeders Nurturing. That's odd, because I'm pretty sure that was a green code. Is that an error pack? I think that's an error. Well done on the Pokemon Breeders Nurturing. So that will go into a hard sleeve as well. And then I'll put that into an envelope. I have envelopes all set out for everybody involved. That's cool. That's a very nice card. I'm almost jealous. So what I'll do is we'll do this. We'll put that on the front like that. We'll get it into the envelope where the hell I put it. An envelope just goes in there. Simple as that. Won't seal it just yet. Okay, so pack number 4 is for Xenomar or Xenomar. I'm not really sure how to say that. Probably screwed that up big time. Let's get those out of the way. Okey-doke. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep knocking the camera. I need to stop doing that. Okay, so Xenomar. You have a lightning energy, a clang, vanillish, simmer sage, clink, grimer, Galarian Mr. Mime, an electrike, a dunsparce, a jigglypuff, and a gothitail. Something felt odd there. I keep knocking the damn camera. I think there was more than 11 cards in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It just felt like I was saying them forever. So Xenomar, that is your first set. No full art or anything like that. We'll get it into an envelope. You have got one later on, which is all good. So pack 5 is for Dane. He recently took all my Cramorants off my hands, which is great because I don't like them. Okay, let's see. Can we get you a Cramorant here? Okay, white code. That's technically the first white code we've got. However, clearly something's not right. Okay, so fire energy, Simipour, Rose, Shinotic, Wishiwashi, Morolo, Pansear, Teddiursa, Trapinch, Reverse Hollow Solrock, and you have a Dracovish. That is your first. I'm going to put that in a sleeve because it's a hollow. I was going to just throw it into the envelope straight off, but you get one of these special sleeves. I need to now find your envelope. In there it goes, and again you've got one later on as well. So we'll do that. Okay, this next pack is bringing my flatmate because they're his packs. I'm gonna let him open them. Take a seat in the chair of destiny.
Do I have to take a seat or do I just sit on here?
No, you can take a seat, I'll sit on there. I'll watch over you. So yours are the top 2 packs.
Right. I don't think I'm going to do this properly, so do you want to open it?
It's alright, I knock the camera all the time, don't worry about it.
Do you want to do it? Go on, you do it and I'll watch.
Okay.
I'll sit on the side of the sofa. You got this bit.
Yeah. Well, most of it.
Yeah.
Right.
This one as well.
Yeah, this one's on as well, yeah. Okay. It's just in case I get a Charizard.
Yeah.
Right, so pack 6 for James. I'm actually nervous.
If it is, I'll be amazed. I feel really bad for you and I'll just give you the card, to be honest.
That means nothing because Ed said green code, but it was a full art trainer, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, start things off with a Watter. Glimwood Tangle. Dartrix. Lunatone. Wimpod. Cubchoo. Skarmory. Gothita. Paras. Versatile Gradient.
It's not hollow, is it?
It's not a hollow, but you've got a Diggersby just like I did.
Okay. I've never actually heard of Diggersby.
It's the reverses from Bunnelby, I think. Reverses, not evolved.
Oh yeah, they're the Bunnelby.
That's a good sign. It's a white code. I keep seeing them by accident. I don't mean to. Starting with the metal energy. Simmersage, Clang, Toxapex, Nickit. Gotta be careful with that one. Gothita, Vanillite, Bunnelby, the Simeon, Reverse Hollow Skitty, and a Klinklang. What the hell? What is going on with these packs? Seriously.
I thought it was a white code.
Yeah, it was a white code. It's so confusing because Ed got a green code and a full art trainer, and you got a white code and a non-hollow. What is going on?
I might stay and carry on.
Okie doke. So pack number 8 is for my sister Courtney. 8 because that's her lucky number. She was 8 on the 8th of the 8th of 8.
My little brother was the 7th of the 7th. 7.
It's so strange.
Yeah, 7th of
I'm not even paying attention to the code cards anymore because clearly there's something wrong.
Jack was born on 77 bombings.
Vibrava, Turbo Patch, Billowing Smoke, Vanillite, Gollet, Pansage, Skitty, Grimer, Reverse Hollow Dog Trio, and a Galarian, Mr. Rhyme, non-hollow.
I don't trust the
Soz Coslad, you got Nout. Not yet anyway. Right, pack number 9 is mine, as well as 10 and 11. So we can only hope, this one's hard to open actually. We can only hope that we get the fiery demon that is Charizard. But it's a green code. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Still could be.
Water Energy, Combusken, Pokemon Breeders Nurturing, Gothorita, Wishy-Washy, Rowlet, Skitty, Toxel, Moralul, Reverse Hollow Larvesta, and a Hippowdon. Great. So far, I've not had a single
I
hollow.
want to see you get some kind of. Do they have secret rares in this, right?
Yeah. Which one did I just take it off?
Maybe this one. You get a Charizard.
It's pack number 10.
You're gonna get at least one rare.
We'll see, we'll see.
You've got to.
I am.
I'm sure it's guaranteed, isn't it, in the booster box?
Well, yeah, but the full trainer counts as a.
Oh, does it?
I think. We'll see. We have a Dankness Energy, a Vanillish, Rose, Corvisquire, Cubchoo, Aaron, Starly, Purloin, Marini, Reverse Hollow Escavalier, and we have a Hollow Toxtricity. Slap that in a.
Game of sleeves as well. Game of sleeves.
Yeah. Gold sleeves. Special.
Very fancy.
Like me. Okay, pack number 11. Oh my god, it opens so easy. I don't like it. Read. Nice,
No,
Pollux.
it's not
1,
one.
2, 3, 4. Fighting Energy, Simipour, Simisage, Rare Fossil, Larvesta, Sentret, Hippopotas, Purloin, Feebas, Reverse Hollow Golett, and another Escavalier.
Oh, what's it?
Escavalier.
Oh, another regular rare.
Yep.
I want you to get
Who next? Oh, Craig, Craggle,
contract.
Pro Lambert.
I hope it's shit.
Pack 12 is for Craig.
Has he got 2?
Yes, dear, yeah. Well, that's a green code as well. This ain't looking good for anybody. Maybe all my best ones are in the end, which is good for me because that's where most of mine will be.
I'm sure you got like one.
Yeah, I've had like 2, and that's it. Okay, so we have a Metal Energy, an Ursaring, a Shinotic, Vanillish, Larvesta, Sentret, Hippopotas, Purloin, Feebas, Reverse Hollow Trapinch, and Craig's got a Grimmsnarl V.
Fair enough.
We take those.
I reckon that's because I told him he should get a shit.
Yeah, if you hadn't have said no, you probably wouldn't have got a good one.
Oh well,
That's a Craggle.
that'll teach me.
Right, I need to find the Craggle one. That's Tony's. That's Craig's.
His head's already in it.
No,
Who's that?
that's Dane's. Dane. Right, so 13, man. Unlucky 13.
I thought he was saying beans or weird.
Yeah. Hey, white code, finally. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not that it means fuck all. A Grass Energy. I keep saying Leaf Energy. Piers. Big Parasol. Carnivine. Shelmet. Nickit. Gothita. Vanillite. Bunnelby. Reverse Hollow. Dino. However you want to fucking say it. And a Hydreigon that's not a fucking hollow.
Yeah, that's weird.
What is going on with this? The whole thing is just an error box, I think. What am I on? 14.
It's never going to top the one we had like 7 reverse hollows in one pack.
Oh yeah, I'll never top that. There's something in here. There's something in here,
See it.
and it's a green code, which makes no
See
sense.
a black one. I think. I like the magic.
Okie doke. We have a Fighting Energy, a Furret, a Steenie. This is mine, isn't it? Yeah, this is mine. 14, right. Birdkeeper, Golett,
Yes.
Larvitar, Paras, Bunnelby, Meltan, Reverse Hollow Poltergeist, and we have a
Hey.
Grimmsnarl VMAX. We take those.
Quite convenient that was your pack.
It's not fixed.
Validate it was actually his pack. It was.
15 is also my pack.
It is.
This is going to be a Charizard now. That's definitely not going to be a Charizard. Open properly. Wait. Oh my god! Green card as well!
What's going on?
What is this whole thing's messed up.
It's not like it's tampered with.
No, it was a sealed box when it came. It's mad.
It's not tampered with. But
That's what we have. A Dankness Energy. Struggle Gloves. Lunatone. Corpsquire. Cuffant. Wishy-Washy. Morlul. Panseer. Teddiursa. Reverse Hollow. Meltan. And we have a Crobat V.
I quite like that.
I like that a lot.
That's quite nice.
I'll take that.
Not very shiny, but it's like matte, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's nice.
we do like that. Let's have a look at that actually.
I do like
It's very nice.
I like the silver board.
Woo!
Silver board is nice.
Right, who we got now? 16. My other sister Gemma, aka Neptune's Hollow. Go follow her on Etsy and Instagram and all that shit. On Etsy, yeah. It's like it's a storefront type thing. She sells her own jewellery and things like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Gemma. First off, we have a Psychic Energy. Pupitar, Zoelis, Staravia, Trapinch, Vanillite, Golett, Pansage, Skitty, Reverse Hollow Yell Horn, and an Excel though. Unlucky lad. That was heads. Throw those straight in since you don't need a sleeve. Right. It's me again. Sick. This one feels... Yeah, this one feels really thick. Like there's too many cards in it. Give me a sec.
Oh yeah, that looks like a lot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, it's still 11. It feels really weird though. 2, 3, 4. It's 11. Yeah, I know, but the energies don't count.
Oh. Yeah, that.
Oh, so Metal Energy, Big Parasol, Toxapex, Parasect, Dunsparce, Jigglypuff, Dano, Skitty, Golett, Reversal of Toxel,
Ooh, okay.
and a Hollow Kangaskhan. We take those.
Isn't that in like the first edition extremely rare?
I think so. Yeah.
It seems to be in the thousands, I think. I'm not entirely sure.
Right, so back to El Craggle, Pro Lambert,
I expect this out.
Big Daddy Craig. This is for you.
I'm not going to say it.
Yeah, don't say.
I hope it's really good.
It's gonna be really good, I think. I may have accidentally caught wind of a card. I think I'm just seeing it again.
I
Right.
think I can see it though.
Water Energy, Powerful Energy, Piers, Gothorita, Diglett, Tauros, Pansage, Wishy-Washy, Rikidee, Reversal of Talonflame, and a Salamence V.
That's the one I would like. I love Salamence. Still got my own. I think the original Salamence.
Okie doke.
Yeah, Salamence.
I have no idea.
It's so they use it so good, so I don't know.
I ain't got a clue.
I think that's good. Lovely card.
Patronage. Oh, it's me again. Sick terms. Oh my god. I am scared for my life. I don't know why I haven't put those into a thing yet. It's that there, that's fine. Code cards are fucked, so there's no point in looking at them. Leaf, Grass Energy, Powerful Energy, Piers, Gothorita, Skarmory, Starly, Torchic, Marini, Clink, Reversal of Rowlet, and a Flygon. Okay, dog, that's all I get, guys. That's all I get. Oh, the next one's me as well. 20 is me. I'm trying to read off this thing that I've written down, and I've just not left much space between each number. So I'm struggling to read who's got what and... Okay, supposedly a white code, but we'll see. Psychic Energy, Big Parasol, Toxapex, Parasect, Torchic, Galarian Mr. Mime, Fletchling, Electrike, Pansage, Catablast, and is that even? No, that's a non-hollow again.
That was the original Salamence.
Ah, that's cool.
Put it under there for a second.
We do like. I
That's why I would have liked that Salamence card. I'll trade you, Craig.
No, you can't be giving him that.
No, I meant I'm not going to give him that, but I would like his Salamence.
Yeah.
Just to complete that.
Right, so we now have Rubinho. Rubinho, pack number 21. Just pack to open. White cord. 2, 3, 4.
I feel like I saw something.
We'll see. Metal Energy, Sparkmuth, Simipour, Leron, Simeon, Dano, Electrike, Galarian Mr. Mime, Rookie D, Reverse Hollow, Turbo Patch, and a Rhyperior V.
I saw something.
That's Rubinho's first pack. He gets a Rhyperior V. I'm sure he's very pleased.
Nice card.
Get out my shop.
What's the condition like?
The condition.
Oh, good.
The right border is a little slimmer. Other than that, it's pretty good. Right, what am I doing now? Courtney's second pack. Pack number 22. Okay, that's fine. Oh, I'm sorry, Courtney, but I don't think you're getting shy at all, if I'm honest. But we're starting off with a Psychic. Corvisquire, Pupitar, Combusken, Cadablast, Ducklet, Jigglypuff, Trapinch, Torchic, Reverse Hollow, Dracozolt. Oh, you got a Centre Scorch V. Nice.
I'm waiting for that potential Charizard.
I know. I'm terrified.
It did.
So,
Amazing.
Courtney, your cards are going in your envelope.
First Darkness Blaze booster box.
First Darkness Blaze booster box I've ever done. Yeah.
Also.
Right.
So it's possible. It's possible.
Okay, we've got Dane again. Pack 23. Oh, sorry, but it's an easy open, boys. Oh no.
I don't know if it means anything anymore. The whole green cards.
Yeah, I know. The green code, the white code. What the fuck does it matter? Okay, Dankness Energy, Combusken, Pokemon Breeders Nurturing, Gothorita, Golett, Larvitar, Paris, Bunnelby, Meltan, you got a Reverse Hollow Serena, and a Lugia non-hollow. My apologies, Dane. My apologies. You were the geezer that took all my Cramorants off me. You did me a service, and I haven't been able to do you a service. Right, so I've got 24 and 25. White code, but again, don't mean shit. We got a Water Energy, a Flaffy, a Yellhorn, Furret, Bounsweet, Spinarak, Panpour, Diglett, Jigglypuff, Reverse Hollow Centret, and we got a Butterfree V. I don't think we've actually had our secret rare yet.
What was the trainer? That wasn't secret.
I don't think the trainer's secret, no. Not unless it was Rainbow, which it wasn't. In fact, that's Ed's envelope. It's in there somewhere. It's the hard sleeve here. I'll just take them out.
Alright, okay.
Right. That was 24.
Got the
So
same card twice, basically.
yeah, pretty much. It was weird. You got the reverse hollow, and then you got the full art.
That's so weird.
Okay, pack 25 again is mine. So no doubt it's going to be a non-hollow rare. It says white code, but again, don't mean shit. I've got a Fighting Energy, Pupitar, Zweilous, Staravia, Tauros, Snubbull, Mareep, Pansear, Dano, Reverse Hollow Bunnelby, and another Hydreigon. No, not hollow. I think I've opened about 4 Hydreigons today, 3 in this pack opening, and then 1 when I was doing the ETB earlier.
I've never heard of Blinding Energy.
Yeah, it's weird. It's a version of the Dankness Energy.
Yeah, I've seen that before.
Okay, Gemma. Again, number 26. I'm pretty sure that's your birth date. So, let's hope you get something good. Oh my god. But I don't think you will, I'm not gonna lie. It says white code, but don't mean shite, as we all know. Metal Energy, Doug Trio, Simisear, Heat Energy, Galarian Mr. Mime, Electrike, Dunsparce, Bounsweet, Spinarak, Galarian Darumaka Reverse Holo. And you have a Holo Arctozolt. Yeah, could have been worse. That is faux show. And where's the G? Where's the G? There's the G. Unfortunately, you didn't get a Charizard, you know. With your birthday coming up, it would have been a great present, but... Okay, pack number 27 is back to me. So we'll open the Charizard pack. This is something else. It ain't gonna happen. I will never get the Charizard, ever.
After all these openings, it goes to somebody else.
Yeah. Well, luckily after this, there's only 2 more that are claimed by other people.
Always
So.
edit it, it's fine.
Yeah, edit it. Okay, there's a Fire Energy, a Flaffy, Shiinotic, Staravia, Mareep, Ducklet, Clink, Grimer, Wimpod, Reverse Holo Vanillish, and an Ampharos non-holo. I need to stop knocking the fucking camera. Okay, pack 28 is Xenomar's second pack. I think we've nearly got through everybody now. This is the Charizard, I can feel it. This is the Charizard. It's the Psychic Energy. Kaboo. See, I'm psychic, you see. There's a Charizard in there. Solrock, Poltergeist, Snubbull, Bounsweet, Nickit, Larvitar, Darumaka, Reverse Holo Vibrava. It's not the Charizard, but it is a Volcarona. I think we've had enough of Corona right now. The Xenomar. That is your last pack. I think we've just got one more person left to do. It's Rubinho. And then the rest are mine. Right, so 29, 30, and 31 are mine. Kidok. I am gonna cry. If I get a Charizard, I'm gonna vanish off the face of the earth. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a Grass Energy, Glimwood Tangle, Dartrix, Lunatone. This sounds similar to your pack. Fletchling, Persimmon, Feebas, Sinistea, Cuffant, Reverse Holo Sinistea, and a Mimikyu. I've never actually pulled a Mimikyu ever. No, I ain't actually. I'm not sure actually. Pack number. Oh my god, it opened so easy. Oh my god. Pack number 30. If you guys could see what was going on over there. Okay, we've got a Lightning Energy, Simipour, Rose, Shiinotic, Dano, Electrike, Galarian Mr. Mime, Rookidee, Tauros, Reverse Holo Moralo, and an Aggron.
Oh, I like Aggron. Aggron was one of my favourites back in the day. That's a nice guy.
I think I've actually got one of these, so.
What?
I've actually got one of those, so you might as well have it.
No.
Yeah.
No, because I've not paid for this, so you haven't.
You haven't paid for any of them. Okie doke, 31.
What's the back to it, wasn't it? What's the back to it? Oh no.
It's the sleeve.
Just realised as soon as I did it.
4. Okay, pack 31. Rubinho, you've got 32. So that'll be the last. Yeah.
That's the
Last other person's pack. So we've got a Fighting Energy, a Vibrava, Turbo Patch, Billowing Smoke, Panpour, Diglett, Clink, Jigglypuff, Rowlet, Reverse Holo Lunatone, and a Goliathpod. Oh, what the fuck?
What?
I got 2 rares! I got a Holo Goliathpod and a Salamence VMAX.
Shit.
What the hell just happened?
Is that the same Salamence VMAX as the one that...
The other one was a Salamence V.
Yeah, that one's nice, isn't it? That? Let's
Yeah.
look. That's beautiful.
That's going.
That's got some nice artwork to it.
I had what?
Tell you what.
An error pack 1, 2,
I'll
3,
give
4,
you this
5,
one
6,
back,
7,
shall I?
8, 9, 10. I had 12 cards in that pack. That was an error pack.
That was an error.
An error pack. That was sick.
Blatant error. I'll tell you what, I'll give you this aggron back.
Okay, pack number 32 for Rubinho. Okay. This is a tough. Oh no, it's not. Never mind. I'm chatting bear.
I think it's got a bit of whitening on the edge of this.
Yeah, some of them will do.
Very small.
2, 3, 4. Okay, Rubinho. Your second pack is a Fire Energy, a Summer Sage, a Clang, Toxapex, Hippopotas, Lavesta, Spinnerack, Squabit, Rowlet, Reversal or Ursa Ring, and a Beatrick.
Check again, there might be another card behind.
There might be a second card. Where's my X? No, not X. I'm up for R. Cheers. Oh yeah, no. I'm not looking for my X, but I'm looking for the X. In fact, I'm not even looking for the X actually. I don't know what I'm talking about. Right, anyway, last 4 packs are all mine. Oh, they're all different arts as well.
Which one are you going to do last?
We're gonna do the Charizard last, you know, as always, and then it's gonna be a non-hollow, as always. Right. We haven't had the secret rare.
Has anyone ever opened up a Charizard pack and had a Charizard in it?
I don't know. I don't think it ever
I don't
happens.
think it ever does, but it's nice.
Okay, we've got Lightning, Harding, Fletchinder, Pokemon Breeders Nurturing, Rookidee, Teddiursa, Panpour, Shelmet, Squabit, Reverse Hollow Grimer, and a Golurk.
Give that training card to Ed.
Just keep giving them to him.
You'll have 3.
All of the same one. Oh my god, why are these so easy to open? I don't like it.
I'm planning on sleeping with these tonight.
Yeah, I'm gonna sleep on that pile, yeah. Okay, we got a Water Energy, a Dartrix, a Turbo Patch, a Kaboo, a Snubble, Mareep, Pansear, Dino, Cuffin, Reverse Hollow Combusken, and then we have a Darkrai. That's actually Craig's favourite Pokemon. If he'd have got that, he'd have been over the moon.
So, can't really see much of it in this artwork.
It's a very dark artwork, isn't it?
Very hard to make out, actually. Nice though.
Let's see. I keep knocking the table, the camera, the everything. We still haven't had the secret rare. It sounds like there's a flock of birds trying to get in the bedroom, but it's just my blinds.
But you are guaranteed a secret rare,
I
right?
fucking hope so.
Because if you've not had it yet, then it's either in this pack or the next one.
3, 4.
Can you imagine if it's in the last one?
I know, that'll be sick.
I don't want to say it and then...
Grass Energy, Ursaring, All PC, Steenie, Sentret, Galarian Darumaka, Grimer, Larvitar, Shelmet, Reversal of Toxel, and a Manectric. So in theory, this could be the secret rare.
In theory it should be, but with the way this...
Yeah, with the way this box has gone.
everything's been a green code and then been a VMAX. Okay. So this, in theory, should be it, but I don't think it will be.
We've had about 100 green codes and about 5 white codes the entire video.
In the
And it's just
entire
been
time.
bullshit.
You've had rares and all that stuff.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm nervous about this one. We have a Dankness Energy, Carnivine, Flaffy, Yellhorn, Diglett, Tauros, Pansage, Wishy-Washy, Rookidee, Reverse Hollow Digger's Bait, and I'm not going to get my hopes up because I don't think there's anything behind here.
There's 2 cards there, I think.
And a Gramble. Oh wow.
So you didn't get a secret rare?
Not that I can think of.
It doesn't say guaranteed.
It won't say it on the box, no. Well, anyways, hope you enjoyed. You know, those of you that want your shit, you know, contact me. If not, then I'll keep it. And I guess I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace out.